Hello and welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, in case you might have guessed, and today we're going to be opening Medusas Makeup, and I have not opened this yet, so I'm so excited to open it with you all for the first time on the camera today. A little bit about this company. Medusas Makeup is $18.99 a month. It is free shipping to United States. However, there is additional fees if being shipped outside of the country. You normally get between 4 and 5 items in there, mostly full size. You might get a couple sample sizes here and there. All the makeup is vegan and cruelty free. So let's go ahead and get this opened today. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. I'm a goofball. Okay, so first let's see what this card is. Ooh, and it's a little card that comes with it, and it says, "Wish you were here, cruelty-free and vegan beauty box." And it just has inside of there a list of things that will be featured inside of the box, and it tells us our total value this month is valued at $54.94 is how much this bag is worth. So let's go ahead and see what we got. First thing I'm pulling out here, this was actually on the spoilers that I posted on my Instagram page. This is bath salts. It says, "Take time to chill, relax in eucalyptus, Epsom salt, and glitter, biodegradable glitter." And honestly, I could get a couple baths out of this because I probably put about half of what's in this per bath. But you could really put the whole thing in there. I'm sure it wouldn't hurt anything. This is actually valued at $10 according to the card that they sent me. And then it just comes with a little coupon in there, 15% almost off almost everything on the site. Right now, which they've been doing forever. They have 30% off online already as it is. So unless they plan on taking this off soon, I would rather use the 30% than the 15%. But let's go ahead and look at our goodies. Okay, cool. So we did get a different kind of formula of eyeshadow because last time we got one from, I do believe, the Tropical series, and it was a matte and it was a purple. I was curious to try different formulas in here, and this looks like, and then this eyeshadow here, it's an eye dust, and it's in wasabi. It's in color wasabi. So let's open this up and see. There's like some kind of a protective barrier on there, and usually with these it's just like a small piece of plastic that you just peel off. But for some reason, okay, I may just be special, but I've been trying to get this open off camera, and I cannot get this open to save my life. I was going to swatch it to show you all what it looks like. However, I clearly need help from my husband, so I'm gonna have to wait until he's done mowing the lawn to get help with this one. But real quick before we go on any farther, I did want to let you all know I did purchase a couple extra things in addition, which I will show you after I'm done unboxing this beauty box slash bag, whatever you call it. But just because they only send one color of eyeshadow a month, so I can't do a whole lot of looks with that throughout the week. So I went ahead and purchased a few other colors so that we could play with it and have a little bit more fun throughout the week with the different colors and different styles that I can create. Okay, moving on. So that eye dust is valued at $9. So moving on to the next item that we have here is a Witch Hazel, I don't know if it's Wakaki, Hibiscus facial toner, and this is vegan, cruelty free, also paraben free. But that's kind of neat. We had a little skincare product in here too. So that's what that looks like there, and it comes in 1 fluid ounce, and it says that one is valued at $12.95. Okay, moving on. Okay, this is a Cocoa Belly coconut oil wipes. It says it's a bonus in the bag. It's not counting as one of the 5 items. It's just an extra thing that they had thrown in there, and they said this is valued at $3. It says it removes makeup, nourish thirsty skin, and clear blemish skin, soothes sensitive skin. It's Australian made, vegan, not tested on animals, 100% natural coconut oil. So there's that. Cute little sample for us to try in there. And then I'm pulling out Medusas Makeup. And this is a tinted lip balm, this was also a spoiler. So, and it's in the shade Spicy. I just love the names on these. They're just so cute. Ooh. Oh, wow. Neat looking container there. And this is the tinted lip balm. I do have lip gloss on. We'll just see if we can get some of it on the skin. So it's really light, but it definitely has tint to it. It feels good. I'm really excited to use that this week. Oh, this is the last thing. It had fallen out onto the floor. It's by Public Goods, and it's a lip balm. Just a basic lip balm. It looks like it's gluten-free, and it's certified organic. So we'll give that a shot for sure. Let's make sure we got everything in here. Yep, we got everything in here. So that was this month of May. It was a month of May beauty bag for Medusas Makeup, and honestly I think for $18.99 it's pretty good. I may only keep it for one more month. I'm not really sure. It depends how much you guys are wanting to see this or not. If it's not something you want to see, I may retire this just temporarily after next month and pick up a different box instead for us to try out. But we'll talk about that later. Anyways, let's go ahead and open these couple extra eyeshadows that I got so we can create a couple looks this week. And I did get these on clearance. They have a lot of really, whoa, cheaper things in clearance. But, so let's show you what I got here. So I got Electro Blue and Electro Yellow eyeshadow. And these were only $2.50 a piece. So why not? And this one is from Medusas Makeup, and it's a matte eyeshadow in Martinique. So yeah, we got a few different shades. We could probably make some looks with this week. I'm super excited about it. If you want to see more stuff like this, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on that little bell notification. Thanks so much for watching.